Yeah. One done. I'm a baby. Kiss me, baby.
Uno see it, them viewers. Vybz Kartel is now a free man after serving 13 years span cell block. Him and him woman then a Kiara bus kiss and a drink champagne. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. Me have some video for show now with Vybz Kartel. Plus a elders and them nowadays youth ya. A bad up woman forget woman. And today a Jamaica Emancipation Day. I want to say big up to all of my ancestors them. We make me and my family them free right now. So my people, pre this.
Anytime now, my brother. Anytime now. Cairo. Godson, my brother. I be get bodies line up them when you got
Big up my sauce. Big up Siva. And big up Father God.
Big up Maidan. Big up Maidan.
Kim.
Big up Maidan.
Kim. Remember me know you.
Me love Maidan.
From your fat I know you see.
I should never there for God.
Remember now, TJ this you know. Bun politics and a PJ this you know. My brother from another mother. Yeah man, I love them youth man. Them youth they run from the one through the fight, through the struggle. Right, true. And to the victory. Yeah man, right. I talk about God is the greatest. Love you bro. Love you bro.
When see him, them viewers, Vybz Kartel is now a free man after serving 13 years in the system. Yesterday, the judge let him and him co-accuse them free. My people, right now, everywhere you go, boy, you're cartel. Party I keep from last night till now. You have people who bleach out in the street, me I tell you no. Non-stop talking, pan and knock, cartel I play from yesterday till now. What me would I like for know though? What's the next move for Vybz Kartel? What am I gonna do? Keep a big concert, drop some new music, and then what? Him not gonna take care of him health. That will be the first thing, you know. Cause if you not look on the image that we are showing right now, up on the screen, you know. You know see say something wrong with Kartel. Him jaw them fat so like him have mums. Why him hide them a pulp out a socket? Him a people, it's allegedly, you know, say Vybz Kartel have grave disease, you know. Me not really know much about that disease, you know. So my people, if you don't know more about it, you can explain it to me in the comment section. Cause when I say, the dog no look healthy, me I tell you no more viewers. You hear that? So him for just load the one bag of camera thing, even though we know say him just forward out and him happy. You see me? For see him fans them, for see him friends them, for see him family them. But as when I say, health is wealth. And if you don't take care of your health, how you go there to enjoy your wealth? Hey my people, so here you walk with me, you know. Today a Jamaica Emancipation Day, you know. And you see, today my viewers, I want to big up all of my ancestors them. We fight for my freedom. Cause you see if I never them, not even me would have the right here. So right now I blog, you know. When you hear that, so I want to say respect to my ancestor them. Them fight for we there, so. You see me and say my people, and see it you now, Jamaica, depend we own. We not fear itch pan nobody or a lean up pan nobody like wall. Even though we still borrow, but every country out there borrow. I saw the thing go. So as I say my viewers, today is Jamaica Emancipation Day. Big up all of the Jamaicans them out there. It no matter if you want the boy or anywhere at all over the world. I love same way. When you hear that. So my people, me have a video for sure now. With a man I explain how them nowadays youth a look woman. He must say it coming like a bad them youth a bad up woman. Forget woman a road. So no pre this my viewers.
Them a youths nowadays look woman you know. I threaten woman for there with them you know. And threaten woman for stop and talk to them you know. Me happen for a pass Clock Tower Plaza a while ago and turn in. So when I'm bridging from high school days, I talk to him, I'm stand up right about him all this. And see a hombre down in a one woman ears, see a you down in a girl ears. I mean, the man say, watch you know, I have to move, you know, because I don't have enough time for you to spend with you, so but watch you. I want your digits and I talk a phone, you know. Alright, I know a real bad man for your case, you know, baby. Alright, I know you say if you're not bad girl, I don't want you need that, you know. So just know, say I don't have no bag of money to spend for you like what some idiot I go do, you know, just ring my bird, let me get your number. You say me and say link up and you don't know the portal go. I saw the man I deal with it, you know. And all she do is just stand up with one hand Kimbo and the next hand here and yeah, them just a pin fast. And me and say, well, land, how really are going on nowadays? Are they weird if you look man nowadays? Not decent man, them a get left behind, brethren. And me not talk about people who are not Christian. Me talk even in some section of people who say them are Christian. If you not talk to them straight up and tell them where you're depending, you know. Them a tell you where them depending, you know. Them a set them criteria, you know. It's either you work with it or you step. It's either you work with what them a say or you press gas, lift clutch, and make your motor vehicle move on fast. So the world turn over, man. The world mash up. Mash up. When I say mash up, mash. Yeah, man, I just
when you hear it, them viewers, so wanna tell me what you think about what the man say. What you feel about that situation, yeah, my viewers. Even though you still have some woman boy, you know, a certain man can't talk to them certain way, you know. But the reason why the things stay so boy, yeah, things and time change. Most women you can't approach them with no hi baby, come here baby style. Them would have never look upon you. You have to make them know the thing brawling. That's why when you see that man here when him hear how the youth a chat to the woman, he might fear one day if I threaten the youth or threaten the woman or a body ma bad her up, forget her. No, a them type of treatment here most of them woman here want. You never know that. The woman them not like no look a soft treatment. Cause you have to remember this, you know, my viewers. A whole heap of man we see the boy here, you know, where do good, you know. And when you check it out, them woman a give them bun, you know. And better say if it was the general, she would have never look for give the general bun. Cause she don't know the general treat her already, talk to her already, and disrespect her already. So as I say, different strokes for different folks. And if a woman no value themselves and put on themselves on the ground, wanna feel, enough of them man go come lifting up, the man them go just step over uno and walk up on top of uno too. So hear it them viewers, the brother say this new generation, yeah, them look woman different, like a bad them a bad up woman. But I know bad them a bad up woman. A brawling settings and a them type of settings them most of them woman ya want boy ya. Them no wanna look a idiot boy ya. Some people wanna stay safe out there. Protect on 3 points out there. Until next time, when you hear that.